A lot has been going on with the Llano River just the past couple of days.
David Gonzalez breaks down how much rain has fallen and the impact it has had on that area.
The good news right now is that the Llano River is falling, but a second crest in a major flood stage is expected again tomorrow morning. Flooding has made some roads and bridges impassable. The FM 2900 bridge in Kingsland actually collapsed because of the rushing water. Multiple search and rescue groups have been activated and are doing their best to help those along the river.
Yeah, get this. Over the last 2 days, more than 10 inches of rain have fallen over the river basin. That is causing major damage along the Llano River, and it has reached a near record level stage. So according to the National Weather Service, the flood stage for the Llano River is 10 feet. A moderate flood stage happens when the river reaches 12 feet, but today the river reached a height just shy of 40 feet. That's well into the major flooding stage that happens when the river reaches 23 feet. Today's water level came very close to breaking the record of 41.5 feet. That record has been in place since 1935. It makes today's crest the second highest it's ever been.
Dangerous, fast-moving water is making its way downstream through lakes LBJ, Marlboro Falls, and Travis. The Lower Colorado River Authority is using dams to control the flow of water as it makes its way to the Colorado River. The National Weather Service predicts the river will stay in a major flood stage through tomorrow afternoon. I'm David Gonzalez, KHOU 11 News.